bumblebee tuna. Let's see if we get a little reaction here. Let's see what we got here. And woo, spring break. Oh, a middle finger. Come on, you gotta give me a what up, baby. Woo! Hey, Rank. Guy has himself an RV. Hey, woo! Spring break. There he is, baloney. Woo! Baloney.
We got some butts on the pool.
Woo! Labor Day, Labor Day. Woo! Woo! Labor Day. Baloney. Look at these dick draggers. Should we train horn them? Woo! Baloney! Suck it. It's the Coley, like what up, dude? Like totally rad, bro. Like no way. Woo! Labor Day. Woo! Buongiorno.
Saw you on your Instagram.
Woo! Blair Show 99. Wears shoes. Hey, I'm Chris Hansen from Dateline NBC. You know that girl's only 13 years old? Go ahead, take a seat. Take a seat. Go ahead. Cops are on the way.
Hey, I'm Chris Hansen from Dateline.
It's my boy. That's my boy. Woo! America. This guy's the best, dude. Malibu Kooks in full swing. Labor Day weekend. Woo! Labor Day, Labor Day. Look at all these kooks. The virus is spreading. Woo! Spring break.
Yeah, spring break.
Where's baloney? Labor Day, baby. Woo! Spring break 99. Look at this guy. He's loving it. He loves gold. He loves gold.
Where's banana?
Roller girl. Woo!
Blair has started his Malibu cult.